Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, you know it's busy when in the past week we've tracked Gonzalo, Hannah, and now potentially Isaias, which would be the ice storm out there in the Atlantic. Nothing right now. It's just a tropical disturbance and a big one at that. But there is high development potential over the next few days here as the system is forecast to move to the west, northwest over time. Now, I don't know where to begin with all the questions. There's so many questions. Is it going to consolidate? Is it going to develop? Where is it going to develop? Where is it going to go after it develops? What happens to it after that? Lots and lots of uncertainty with this system. And until it develops, it's going to stay very, very broad with the uncertainty because we first have to have where the actual center is. Right now, it's estimated to be over here, but the hurricane hunters are going to go out tomorrow and fly this area out here, and they'll give us at least a better idea of what the surface wind circulation looks like if it exists. And at that point, we'll be a step closer to knowing something. Here's the water vapor loop, and clearly there's a lot of dry air around the system, especially to the north and the west of the system. Now, these type of systems that are embedded in this dry air, they can survive as long as there's not much wind shear pushing the dry air into the center or the core of the system. And in this case so far, the wind shear has been fairly low, relatively low over this area. It's not to say it won't increase, but for the most part, it's been relatively low. That being said, some of the dry air has worked into the broad circulation of this disturbance. Computer models, once again, they all take it to the west, northwest. Once again, if that new center is found in a different position, that would slide these models a little bit one way or the other. Hard to say if that would have any impact down here by the time we get into the Saturday time frame. Obviously, this is something folks in the islands are watching, folks in the Greater Antilles are watching, and of course, we're watching here at South Florida, and that's what we'll just have to keep doing for the foreseeable future. If anything happens, though, I'll be the first to let you know. Here's some showers out there tonight on the radar. We had a big area of thunderstorms up to the north earlier. Our Keys cam this evening looking pretty good. 85 in Miami, 78 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 85 in Key West. Stickiness scales at 8. Extra steamy feels like 94 on this nice late summery July evening. High temperatures today, they made it up into the low 90s, upper 80s everywhere, so pretty close to normal. Moisture that brought us all the thunderstorms last week is just to our north. We may see a stray storm scoot in from time to time. By Friday, though, here is the model moisture for that disturbance. What it's taking on in terms of its strength at that point, hard to say, but the moisture should be getting closer. Here's our forecast for tonight. Early showers, other than that, warm and humid, a low near 84. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of hazy, hot sunshine, a stray afternoon storm. High temperature near 92 degrees. On the water, wind southeast at 10, seas 2 feet or less, a light chop on the bays. Rest of the week looking hazy, hot, and humid. A little bit more dust in here for Thursday and Friday, and then a weekend really depends on what happens with that system in the tropics. CBS 4 News tonight's coming right back.